Right, hopefully you can see me on this one, guys. It's super hot today. Right, I've come to like, I don't know, I suppose like one of the most, I saw the most local place. I'm just about to get a bus down to, I actually don't know, because it's all been booked for me, because I haven't been here for like 2 weeks. So, I've got myself an iced tea, and I'm not sure what it is, but I just asked for like the most local stuff. I'm not sure what it is really. So we got some chicken. Try it. Chicken, rice, beans. Absolutely banging. So, it's super hot here. Oh, it's a little bit dry, but it's yummy. And this thing, it's like a corn fritter, basically like a corn hash brown. I mean, got some beans on it. Oh, you don't understand how hot this is. I wonder how much this is going to cost. So it's got green beans, little bean sprouts, which is quite spicy. Then we got the rice in the bottom. Which is nice. And then we got this. It's a sweet corn fritter, so it's like a sweet corn hash brown. So my hair's falling up. Sweet corn hash brown. This is lovely. Yummy, yummy. Hot back on. Actually, fucking sweat. And a bit of fried chicken. Nice bit of breakfast. It's 8:45 in the morning. And two things that drew me into here, guys. It's the smell. That's number one. And two, it's like packed full of locals, so well, fuck it, why not? I mean, there's a few down there which is like, you know, coffee barn and blah blah blah. Well, I could do that anywhere in the world. But you know, I'll come and join the locals, eat their local food. I literally said to her, what's good for breakfast? And this is what she gave me. It's really fucking good. And then, of course, to wash it all down. Oh look, steam coming off of it. Iced tea. Super sweet. Kind of fake tasting. But that's what they drink out here. Bon appetit. Just show you. So it's just like this little old lady's kitchen, basically. And I need to clean my camera. Excuse me, it's good food. I said I'm getting a bus. I'm not. I'm getting a boat because going over to meet Alice on a private island or another island or something. I'm not too sure what it is. Yeah, got 5 minutes before I need to meet the guy. Cost 200,000, which is like 12 quid, maybe a tenner, something like that, for a boat ride and a taxi to the next destination, which is included in the price. So all good. I've got my little lanyard on, waiting to be picked up. And yeah, gonna get on the boat and go to this island. I'll find out what the name is, because I'll let you guys know. But yeah. So that meal with another bottle of sweat cost 27,000, which is like, I don't even know how cheap that is. £1.50, something like that. Okay, so we're in our little human convoy. Walking somewhere, I think, to get this boat. Yeah. Woo. Okay. This is where we're staying. Right. Gonna figure out the nuttiness and then get back to you guys. Right, so just another day of traveling really. The boat's fucking broken. So yeah, basically just sat waiting now. I just asked them, like, you know, what's happening? They're like, it's 10 minutes, and that was like maybe an hour ago. And now they're saying, oh, it's half hour, and I'm like, just what's happening? Like, I don't really want to get on a broken boat, to be honest. So like, it's not like, you know, across a ferry. It's like the fucking, it's far, man. So I don't know what's happening. They keep telling us different times. People are getting pissed. So yeah, that's this company, Marlin. I don't know if they're notorious for it or what, but yeah, I don't know, just gotta wait and see, I guess. I mean, it's beautiful here, but it's just getting soured by fucking dumbass companies not running their shit properly. But I don't know, is it their fault? Is it not? Who knows? Just gonna have to wait, I suppose. Right, cool. Guess we wait. With a not so bad view. I suppose it could be worse, couldn't it? Could be broken down in fucking Bognor or something. Right, in a bit. Right, so we've asked them like 3 times now, and it said they said basically the first time 10 minutes, and then it was like maybe 45 minutes to an hour. And I asked again, they said 30 minutes, and I just went down. I said, look, I'm not being funny, but I need the time. Like, well, I'm just gonna get a refund and use a different boat. And they was like, it's 5 minutes, and I was like, 100%, you're not lying? They're like, yeah, 100%, 100%. It's been about 10 minutes now, so at this point, I feel it's just kind of, they're just pushing it and pushing it and pushing it. So yeah, I'm not quite sure what to do. Maybe get a bit angry, but yeah, I don't know. Just kind of waiting with fucking hundreds of people waiting to get on a boat. Loads and loads of people going past, getting on their boat. I mean, is it their fault it's broken? I don't know, but you know, they should have replacement boats, or you know, at least be like, look, it's not going to be fixed for a few hours. Here's your money back. We'll give you a free boat ride. But am I asking for a lot in Asia? I don't know. So yeah, we shall see, I suppose. Right then, guys, I'm gonna go see if I can get a straight answer out of these guys and see what's happening. See if I can catch them lying on camera. Cool. Hey bud. Hello man. Yeah, we were told 5 minutes about 25 minutes ago. That's the 3rd time now. Yeah. Oh yeah, I know that. I just want to know the honest truth about when it is actually going. Cause
it's actually going, but might be at 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock, so another half hour.
Yeah.
Okay. Because myself and others up there have been told 3 different times. So everyone's getting a little bit angry up there. Yeah. So
just tell them that I might get 11.
Yeah.
So that you will go in because they need to change the boats and you need to change the new ticket one.
Right.
Still also waiting for the staff telling us.
Okay, so it'll be.
Any information for the update again, we'll be telling you.
Yeah, I would because everyone's getting a bit restless up there and it's getting a bit. Let's see. So yeah, 11 o'clock we're leaving. Yeah.
11 o'clock. It's maybe later.
Yeah.
Late. Okay.
Maybe before.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, so guaranteed by 11.
Yeah.
Because we're up there saying, well, we're just going to get a refund and rebook another boat. But if it's going to go soon, we'll wait. But if not, then we're just going to go elsewhere.
Alright.
Yeah?
We're going to tell you soon if the staff is telling any information update again. But there's information until 11 o'clock, yeah?
Alright, okay, cool. Thank you. Right. So, there you go, guys. By 11, latest. That's kind of what I got from that conversation. So, there's another guy.
Yeah, normally check the ticket at 11 o'clock.
But all right, cool. So this lady here has just basically said by 11 o'clock as well. So that's exactly what I was just trying to get out of him. All right, cool. Let's see if we go within 20 minutes. We just got the call. 10:59. Look how many people are in here, man. This is like, there's no aircon, nothing. And I think this is us, so let's see. This whole thing's just a fucking disaster, really. Let's get my ticket out. So I started this journey at 8 this morning. 3 hours waiting. Marlin. Thank you. And we going Mushroom Bay, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, nice one, buddy. Cheers, man.
Yes.
Thank you. Right, we're on. I mean, that poor guy was trying to keep the peace with everyone, so yeah. Bit of a piss take, really, but we're off. We're on our way. And like, yeah, like I said, I could have got angry and tried to get my money back, but it was only 200k, which is like just over a tenner, I think, British pounds. It's just let's hope this boat don't break down instead. Take the British out of Britain. You can't take Britain out of the British. Right. Christ.
Lembongan. Lembongan. This is just skincare and
Marlon? Yeah. Cheers, man. I put my passport in my pocket before I drop it overboard. Oh shit. Oh, I have to put the camera away, guys. Go get my bag off. Right, we made it onto the boat finally. Fully packed. And I'm still yet to figure out what this, what the island is going in. I know it's called Mushroom Bay. That's about it, really. Here, these blokes here are getting absolutely fucking soaked. Right then, we've made it. So, this is Mushroom Bay. The island is called Lembongan, I think. That's what the lady just said. Lembongan, Mushroom Bay. So that's the mainland there. And yeah, bright blue waters. Can't wait to go check it out. Just need to wait for my driver. My driver's one of these natives, but they're helping with the boat to get all their bags off. So yeah, not bad at all. Right, into the wagon, guys. Here with the driver, Pluto.
Thank you.
Gonna drive me to my destination. Been travelling since about 4-5 a.m. yesterday. Got a little sleep in the pod. And after the malarkey with the boat, we are on our way. So this will be what, like 5 minutes?
Yeah, it's, I think around 3 or 4 minutes.
Okay, nice. To the jungle.
Welcome to Lembongan. Bali village.
Lembongan Island. Nice. It's jungly. Sick place, little rural village. I'll get back to you guys when we get there. I've arrived, finally. Look at this little place. It's beautiful. We've got one of these, basically. With our own little porch thing. Check it out. Real nice and simple, nice and cozy. Ah, there she is. Just showing them our room, or your room. Outdoor toilet, shower, all the bits and bobs. And how much do you say this was?
This is £21 a night.
21?
Yeah.
What, for the two of us?
Yeah.
Oh.
17.50 for one.
Oh, okay, so it's £17.50 for one person, or 20 quid for two. So, tenner each. Banging. Got pool, bits and bobs. Yeah. Nice. We're gonna go out and get some food. So Al's been here for 6 days already. And I've just arrived late from getting back from New Zealand. And yeah, we're gonna spend the next week and a half, 2 weeks here. Ready?
Yep.
Check this out, guys. Oh, that's hot. So we've ordered, so we got chicken and goat.
Yes.
Yeah, wow. What's it called? I am is chicken apparently.
I am the chicken
Sudimapel. Ah, okay, lovely. Being cooked on the open fire. Thank you very much. Come to a little warung, they call them, right? Yeah. And yeah, I got, check this out, chicken satay. So that for 25k. So the easiest way to work out the money here is you basically half it. So half that is 12.5, and that would be the penny. So it's £1.25. Yeah, so that's the easiest way. So 5k would be 25p. So it's 0.25, and then you do the penny. So it's 25p. That's a really easy way to do it. 20k would be 100p. So that's a pound. So that's a pound. Yeah. Wow. It's good here. Right, we'll get back to you when the food comes. Being made on a little thing. Right in the middle of the jungle. Right, food's come. Some lovely rice. For those. So what's this? Chicken? Chicken on a stick. Goat. And then this is what? Goat soup?
It's gulai.
Gulai? Oh, I'm gonna have to try that. Goat soup. Oh, that's yummy. That's really nice. What's in it?
It's just literally like goat.
Just bits of goat.
Goat and soup, yeah.
Oh, okay.
With like lime.
Right, so I'm gonna give the goat a go first. I've never had goat, honestly. Hopefully it's nicer than the chicken bum. It's goat satay, so it's like peanut goat. It's really nice.
Oh, yeah.
Lovely, thank you very much.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Orange and what's yours? Ice lemon.
Yeah, lemon iced tea.
Okay. Lovely. And some chicken on the stick. All with a satay sauce.
It's Madura satay sauce.
Madura satay sauce, like
Yeah,
sweet.
Madurai, yeah.
This is delicious. How much did this all cost?
25 and 35, so 60,000,
P.
60,000,
Oh, okay.
90,000, and 2 rice is
So-
100,000.
This whole thing was under a fiver.
£5 for the food, yeah.
Crazy. Right. I'm gonna try this for you guys.
Flies.
Flies everywhere. Very chewy. Yeah, it just tastes like a beef soup. It's good. Bon appetit.
Yeah, that's Chenigan. Get your hair cornrowed. Get your hair cornrowed.
Shit. These roads are so small, aren't they?
Yeah.
Look at this thing. Beep, 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 beep. So this island must be tiny.
It takes like 20 minutes to drive to the top of the island, to the other harbour. This is just like the far corner of the island. No, the whole place is like for holiday, but I think because it's got Mushroom Bay and
Right. Check that out. We're at a little place called Dream Beach. No idea where on the island. We've rented a scooter now. Yeah, we're gonna go check out the island. I'll say, let's go to Dream Beach. Beautiful. Wow, look at those. Wow. It's like a temple. That's actually a house. Is that a house?
I don't know. I think this is like old Bali style. Because yeah, I drove across Bali and it was
That was unexpected. This is as fun as I know.
Your elbows in.
I'm stopping, but I'm letting this guy go. Look, there's a fucking hole there. Oh shit! Getting out.
Hope we can get back.
Yeah, we would fucking go backwards.
We're on the other island now.
Check this out. We just went off in a little scooter ride into the jungle, and we've ended up at yeah, bumped into a gorilla. How's it going, bud? What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin. Nice to meet you, Kevin. Sam.
Hello.
All right, so yeah, we bumped into a gorilla. Look at this, guys. Just a random, whoa, don't do that. Infinity pool overlooking one of the islands. And that's the one we're staying on, right? Oh, so what's that then? Is that the same island?
Yeah, I've got a waterproof case.
Oh, lovely. Cheers, man. Thank you. Yeah, so this, guys, I could not tell you where this is. We just went off into the jungle on our scooter just to see where we'd end up. And yeah, we just found this place. Like, gonna go for a dip. What's that called? That is called Penida. So there you go. This is we're on Chiningan. That's Penida, and then the other one we're on is Lembongan. Oh yeah, cool. I will get in after some lovely dinner, I think. Right, so we got some mee goreng coming, which is fried noodles, and yeah. Banging. So we've just stopped in this cool little place, just right by the yellow bridge, which we just went over, which is over there. We stopped to get a cold coffee, and he said his signature thing is a cold brew. So it's kind of like, he said it's made like whiskey. Oh yeah, look at the shit fucking view we have. And yeah, it's got a spherical ice cube in there. And this is my first ever thing. He says it's one of his creations. It's like a cold, I don't know, cold brew thing. It's like coffee juice. Oh, it's very, how strange. Well, I'm glad I tried it. Cheers. Iced latte with a cookie and a Twizzler. Ah, it's nice here, isn't it? Sunset as well. Banging. Thank you very much. Cheers. Cheers, man. Thank you. Beautiful. I like your Twizzlers. That's very handy.
Yeah, you need to like to stir big ones.
All right,
Small
yeah.
ones cannot stir.
No.
So you need the big ones.
Lovely. Cheers, buddy. Thank you very much. Cool. Yeah, neat little place. You can see the dogs playing there. How quaint.